Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about how to make your computer faster. Everybody recognizes this problem. After a few years, maybe even months, your computer doesn't work that fast as it did when you bought it. Your computer is starting to get slow. You miss that speed it had and you don't know why it got so slow. Luckily for you, there are a few ways to get that speed back, all free and all super easy. You won't need any knowledge of computers. So if you want to know how to make your computer faster, sit back and listen up to these 10 tips you can do for absolutely no money. Let's go! Tip number 1. Clear out your startup programs and services. When you install new programs, most people just accept everything without reading anything. Most of the time, these programs ask permission to run in the background or run every time you start your computer. That's why, after a while, your computer will slowly start, because it has to run all these programs. So how do you turn it off? Easy. Open your task manager, go to startup, and here you will see every program and tool that starts together with your computer. Here can you disable everything you don't use actively by right clicking. Don't disable something you don't recognize. It may cause some problems. Tip number 2. This one goes along with the previous one, because there are also services that start together with your computer, but they won't show up in the task manager. You can find them by searching to services.msc, and every item where automatic shows up will start automatically. You can turn it off by right clicking on it, go to properties and change startup type to manual. Again, don't disable something you don't know for sure you don't need it. Tip number 3. Uninstall programs you don't use. Unused programs take disk space and can run in the background, which can make your computer slower. You can do this easily by going to Control Panel, click on Programs and Features, and you'll see a list of everything you have installed. Better reinstalling some program than having it without using it. Number 4. Scan for viruses. I hope you are doing this already. If not, a virus can cause serious problems to your computer, so make sure you have an antivirus software. There are a lot of free and good programs for this. The one we would recommend is Avira Free Antivirus. It's easy to use and totally free. Also, when you don't have these speed problems with your computer, you should always have an antivirus. Moving on to tip number 5. Turn off window animations. They are not necessary and they will only keep your processor busy. You can turn off window animations by going to Control Panel, click on Ease of Access Center, click on Make the computer easier to see, and press Turn off all unnecessary animations. Tip number 6. Keep everything up to date. Make sure you check your programs and your computer software on updates. You can do this by going to Settings, click on Updates, and then click on Check for updates. An old Windows version combined with new programs can cause problems and make your computer run slowly, so keeping everything up to date is a must. Tip number 7. Check your power settings. This one is important for laptops. Frequently, a computer is balanced between high performance and high energy saving mode. But maybe you should consider switching it to high performance. It will make your battery drain faster, but your computer will run a lot faster. 8. Check your hard drive disk status. Type CMD, click on command prompt, type in WMIC, press enter, type disk drive get status, and press enter. If it doesn't show you OK every time, but something else instead, you must change your hard drive disk because something is probably wrong with it. You should always back up your hard drive disk because when a problem occurs, you will lose all your documents. Number 9. Check for memory issues. You can do this by searching to Window Memory Diagnostic and choose any of the options you want. When your computer restarts, a blue screen will show up and it will check your memory. If it shows some errors, you should see a professional and they might have to replace your RAM sticks. Number 10. Reformat and reinstall Windows. This is the most extreme options. you will lose all of your files and you will have to start over. But it may solve all the problems you maybe could not solve with the 9 previous steps. Again, don't do this if you haven't copied or transferred your files onto another disk or computer. Reformatting your computer is difficult. That's why we will not explain it in this video, but you can look it up on the internet if it's the only way out. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Also leave a comment if you want to see a specific video and maybe we will do it later. See you in the next video where we will show you how to do everything.